Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today, I'm at the Classic Iron Show in Southern Indiana. Let's go check out some farm equipment, tractors, hit and miss engines, and I don't know, whatever else I can find. All right, I've arrived. This is a different one. I thought it was one I've been to before, but nope. Looks pretty big. Checking out some hit and miss engines. This one's the Wisconsin. Oh, check out this one. It's like a little old oil pump. So much bigger than I thought it would be. Not really sure where to point the camera. There's a lot going on. Pretty cool spring show. Nice. Ooh, check this out.
You see the train?
I didn't see the train. That's pretty cool. The front swivels around. That's pretty cool.
My brakes don't work. I gotta find somewhere to stop.
That's always a problem.
Yeah. I've got brakes, but my master cylinder isn't any good, so I couldn't bleed them.
Oh.
The brakes are off of a motorcycle, off of a Ninja.
Okay.
So it's really, really good brakes if you have a master cylinder.
That's pretty wild.
This is my little custom electric.
Oh, it's electric.
Articulating tractor.
Oh yeah, I thought it was electric.
Yeah.
That's neat.
Those batteries are out of a Nissan Leaf.
Oh. That's cool. Huh. Let's go check out the small engines first, and then we'll walk around. Every time I get someplace, I gotta get my bearings first. Let's look at some stuff that's not moving. Some Farmalls from 1949. Look at the toy tractors. Wow, look at the collection of toy tractors. Whoa. They're all packed in this little trailer. Look at them. Oh, wow. It's pretty cool. I'll check out this one down here. That's pretty neat. Ooh, check this out. That was pretty neat. I got distracted. I gotta go back to where I came from. The new way. Huh. Pretty cool. There's Buddy over here. Don't think I've seen a New Way engine before. Pretty cool. There's a lot here to see. The sound of progress. Yeah. So it's an external combustion engine. All right. Hey, could you put? Oh, it's good. Never mind.
Want to clarify?
Yeah. I feel rude asking. Okay. That's pretty neat.
Playing? We can do it after you. That was about 1906. That one was somewhere between 1889 and 1920. This was between 1902 and 1920. Carrying feeding of the hand. Not quite.
It's wild how quiet it is.
You can tell if it goes up for all these noisy gas engines.
Well, it didn't get any louder when you turned it on.
No. Well, it's quiet.
So is that an old engine too, or is that
Yeah.
just like a
No, no. It's somewhere between 1902 and 1920.
I think
Made by Essex in Buffalo, New York. They ran store displays. There was a little turntable you could get for it, run off here,
ow.
and they ran a turntable very slowly.
Wow, instead of
Like
electric.
a jewelry store.
Yeah,
You put a rings and watches on it.
that's an Ericsson engine. It does not use compression to run. He's got a flame below, and I guess it heats the air, and you get to look it up. It's pretty wild. There's whisper quiet. I've never seen one of those before. That was the old Maytag. Every time I see those Maytag motors, I'm thinking, I can't believe you had to fire up an engine to wash your laundry. Well, it's better than scraping on a rock. We got this cool little bridge here. Let's cross over the creek. Could probably walk that. And see what's on the other side. Okay. Some engines over there. Tractors. I guess we'll go check out some tractors. Old Alice Chambers. That's different. Don't recall seeing one of these. I'm sure I have. Like Oliver. And a cock shut. Old Ford. I actually had an opportunity to drive one of those but because I was driving, I wasn't filming. There's a bigger Ford over here. There's a neat little engine over here. Let's go check this out. Okay, it's not little. Not really sure what it does, but I'm sure that... Actually, I have no comment. Farmall looks brand new. 1938 F14. John Deere McCormick. That was from 1940. Alice Choppers. I feel like I'm talking about Ford. That's a big American flag. Fortunately, the wind did a number on it. Don't see those every day. And all that is powered by a steam engine. Very cool. Looks like we got an old Model A pickup truck. I wanted to see what's in the machinery building. You want to see what's in the machinery building? I think he said yes. That's kind of cool. They got this small engine here powering that belt, powering this small pump, powering this small pump, and I think it's powering that lathe. Well, I don't see a motor. I could be wrong on that one. It's definitely powering this lathe. And it's also powering this. I don't know what that does. Wild. Bandsaw.
There's an Armin Traeger feed store up in Ocean, Indiana, where they sell coal. I bought a truckload from the coal mine once. It wound up donating to the steam engine guys.
Oh, no.
You couldn't put it here, you couldn't put it out.
Yeah.
Wrong hole.
Fordson Model F. F-100. Another Ford. That was a Model TT. Nice old Chevy, 1941. International pickup truck. And wow, there's more tractors down here. Just when you think you're finished. Actually, I was gonna go over, oh man, there's more over here. This is cool. Old Ford 901 Powermaster. I think today Ford is the tractor of the weekend. So you might see one or two. Oh, this one's got a different attachment on it. Ooh. Like a little, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that yet. What the? Boomer 8N. All right, let's go see what's in this building. Oh, it's quiet in here. $19.55, 700 series.
Okay. Get ready to go.
I am not sure what that is. Do you know? Leave a comment below. You gotta see this. You may have never seen this before. 1951 8N. Still to Omaha. I told you it was a little different. It's pretty neat. Let's see what else we can find. Maybe don't fall down. That's kind of neat.
One of the gentlemen did his own thing.
Get yourself a Colt. No matter how many tractor shows I go to, I see something different. Oh, you gotta see this. It's a lawnmower without wheels. I seen one of those in a museum. Pretty cool. Very cool. It's true. Sears did make everything. That tractor was made by Sears. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. This is a nice one. Very cool.